Yes, that meant for ultrasound. Well, they do ultrasounds and doctor's office. That's where I thought I had to go. No, I had to go to the hospital.
That is stupid.
So I had to go to registration, register,
Right.
get the ultrasound, wait for the report.
Joe. Jelly.
Honestly,
Joe, here.
it takes me a little while to get over
Good job.
the anesthesia.
Yeah.
It does. It takes me a little while. Like my head's not right yet. You know,
Are you on the driver?
I could, within 24 hours, first 24 hours. So that's why I had yesterday off.